Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2017 Charger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster and power 8-way driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.